Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add drum kits to FL Studio. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to download FL Studio and make sure you download it from the official website. And the next step to add drum kits in FL Studio are as follows. So here I have written some steps on how to add drum kits to FL Studio. It's pretty simple steps. So here what you have to do is purchase or download new drum kit in compatible format, which will be WAV or EST. And the second step is to open FL Studio and navigate to the browser tab on the left hand side. Then the third step is to locate the packs folder and then click on it to expand the option. And then the fourth step is to select drums and then samples to access the default drum samples. Now what you have to do is click and drag the downloaded drum kit files into the samples folder, and then you have to refresh the browser by right clicking on the packs folder, and then what you have to do is select refresh, and then the new drum kit should now be visible on the browser tab under the packs section. So that was it. That is how you'll be able to add drum kits to FL Studio. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.